Hello, my name is Hassan. Today I want to introduce our Thronmax Zoom boom arm to you. Let's start installation. We have the desk clamp 60mm support or 2.4 inches. And if your table is very thick or not suitable for desk clamp, we also have another part which also supports 6mm the thickness. Okay, we can install the boom arm now. Okay, now it's ready to use. There's some tricks I want to mention. The back side have the cable lines, so you can install your cable here. And there is 3 different buttons from here to here. You can adjust the different angles, like you can make tight and then fix different angles. And here the top side buttons, you can go all the way up and all the way down. And this boom arm also you can use for straight position or all the way back and different angles. The boom arm comes with 5 and 8 threads, and inside if you have the different microphone, you can also use the 3 and 8 thread for different microphone installation. Okay, let's start install the microphone now. Okay, you can install the microphone with these angles. This microphone is 5 and 8 threads and very easy to installation. We have the cable, and the cable comes to the top side. There's the different clips you can install and fix the cable to the boom arm inside. So not allowed to see any cable out of the boom arms. Yes. So as you see, 360-degree straight position or the different angles. If you have the heavy microphone, you also can adjust the buttons. You can make more tight, you can fix. This boom arm for straight position only support 800 grams. This direction, this position. If you have this different angles, so this support even 2 kg microphones. The microphones support different kind of microphone, heavy or light microphone. So you can use the screw to adjust the tension from here. So you can do more loose or more tight.